Hi, Akshat here, and in the next few minutes please listen to me carefully. So would you like tap into red hot $12.1 billion industry right now? And create a monthly recurring passive income without depending on any marketing gurus or various do-it-yourself technique. If that caught your interest, then I've great news for you today. Presenting MazeMaker. Instant access of world's first amazing one-click puzzle and maze creator cloud-based platform, along with millions of pre-made puzzles and mazes with PLR license. MazeMaker is the last puzzle and maze book creator app you'll ever need. Step 1. Log in and select from millions of ready-to-use puzzles and mazes or create from scratch. Step 2. Add your own questions in puzzles or use inbuilt puzzles, mazes, riddles, etc. Step 3. Preview or download in one click, create unlimited puzzles and mazes and use it for selling yourself for Amazon KDP or sell to your clients and keep the profits. Here are some of its amazing features. Professional and fully cloud-based platform. User-friendly puzzle and maze book creator software. Millions of pre-made puzzles and mazes with PLR license. 60-second puzzle and maze creation. Inbuilt cover creator feature. Millions of other pre-made puzzles like Cipher, word Scramble, Riddle, etc. Multiple niche pre-made puzzles and mazes. Sell unlimited puzzles and other books on Amazon KDP. Commercial license included. No limitations, completely free. Sell unlimited puzzles and mazes and earn like the big boys. No special skills or experience required. Unlimited one-click download. Step-by-step training. And much more. Over 150 plus top agency owners, freelancers, marketers and more than 2,000 customers have started making money with MazeMaker. Till now MazeMaker has created 10 million plus puzzles and mazes. It's huge. And now it's your turn to use it for your business to skyrocket your traffic, conversion and sales at a low one-time cost during this special 4-day launch deal. Your purchase is fully covered by our 30 days money-back guarantee. Try it out for 30 days. If you are still not convinced, get your money back. Also, it's come with an unlimited commercial license, which makes it an incredibly great deal. Soon it will be recurring, so hurry up and pay one time or monthly later. Act fast, and click the link below. See you inside.